Cosmic Shield is very, very important, especially in the coming years where everyone seems to be angry, everyone seems to be out of sync. Yung ang energy mo hindi na-align sa energy ng space mo or ng time. Tandaan nyo ha, we are changing energy. It's a transition period. So marami dyan lutang, you are losing the drive, you're losing the passion, and the Cosmic Shield solves that problem. No? But more than that, ang Cosmic Shield po ay ginagamit sa Black Sheep Puja. No? Ito po yung puja where you find your soul, no? Your warrior spirits natin. No? Madalas po sa hindi, pagka po ang hina-hina ng loob nyo, nadidepress kayo, anxious kayo, nagpapanic attack kayo, because you lose your warrior spirit. No? And when you have that Cosmic Shield, it's either hindi makakalabas yung warrior self mo or slowly natatawag yan. No? Yan ang pinaka-secret talaga na power ng Cosmic Shield. No?